Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclooctadiene and you have peroxide, acid hydrolysis, then bromine in carbon tetrachloride. You have to find what will be the final product. The reaction lies in the basics. First step, you are adding hydrogen peroxide. It will form epoxide in the ring. So epoxide is a strainful system. You are doing acid hydrolysis. So what really happened? Acid hydrolysis leads to the ring opening in the trans version. You have trans diol there. Next step, you are adding bromine because you have another alkene is there. So bromine reacts. You have brominium ion. The ring strain of brominium ion opened the ring through the assistance of alcoholic group. Since the assistance is trans-assistant, trans-alcohol assist and you have final product. The concept you outlined here is epoxidation and bromination is the syn product and assistance always better in the trans version. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.